Hi, I'm Ben from Abode Heat and we're here to help you get heat pumps right. So welcome to the boiler upgrade scheme. In this video we're going to explain who can benefit and how the application process works. So quick summary, the money first. So people can claim £5,000 for an air source heat pump and £6,000 for a ground source heat pump. Now, people who can actually qualify will be homeowners, and where we're replacing fossil fuel boilers, and direct electric heating. Also, good news is that self-builders and those people renovating their own homes also qualify. And actually, there is a small part of the scheme that also mentions small non-domestic buildings. We're still waiting to further detail on the qualification of that, but we're probably thinking that's going to be local community centres, that kind of thing as well. So that's the money. Who can apply? Now the big question is also when. So the scheme goes live from the 1st of April. So every installation installed and certified under MCS after the 1st of April will qualify. The slight catch is that the scheme, as ever with any government scheme, is a little bit behind the game, and we are not actually going to be able to make applications for your voucher until the 24th of May. So D-Day is the 24th of May. Okay, so one of the key application criteria is around the Energy Performance Certificate, or EPC, for the existing property. So I've downloaded an example here. So the things you need to check, we will also check as part of our conversations with you, is do you have a valid EPC? So this example here ran out in 2019, so the client will need to get a new EPC. The other two things that we need to consider are walls. So any cavity walls must be insulated. So the EPC must demonstrate energy efficiency, and the same with roofs being insulated. Big query also with a lot of older properties and harder to heat properties with solid walls. They are okay. So it's only if you have cavities they must be filled, but solid walls, all okay. Okay, we just walked through the application process now. Thankfully, for a government scheme giving you money, they've actually made it relatively easy. So the MCS accredited installer will make the application for the voucher on your behalf. The system is installed and commissioned and then registered with MCS and then registered with the Ofgem boiler upgrade scheme. So once all that's complete, the MCS installer will apply for the voucher payment. Once that's been issued by Ofgem, that payment is passed to you and you get your money. So I hope you found this video on the boiler upgrade scheme useful. Please like and subscribe, do all that stuff. Also, if you've got any questions, which I'm sure some people will have, please put those in the comments below and we'll come back and help as best we can. See you next time.